Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo juice bar. Anyway, this one going to be apple, and ginger drink today. Alright, so we're going to put some apple inside of our ninja blender or our blender where you have. Whatever you have at home, you can just use it, make yourself a nice lovely apple smoothie, or you know, whatever you have to use. So it's gonna be a really fantastic recipe. Just apple, ginger, and also some lemon. Alright, simply remove the skin from the lemon. And then we're going to put half of a lemon. Then we're going to put a little bit of water. Not too much water. Cover it. And blend it for about 4 to 5 seconds. Once blend it, remove the lid and pour a little bit more water inside of it like this. Alright, then after, you can squeeze roughly a teaspoon of honey inside of it like this. Just a teaspoon of honey. Nice. Once you do that, get a strainer and we're going to strain it. See that? Look at that, amazing. Nice. So now what we're going to do is simple. Ice. Pour a nice lovely drink in it. Straight apple juice. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. Got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team, so please stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe. My name is Chef Ricardo and we always give you the best recipe. I will see you next time. Bye bye. Amazing drink, guys, with apple, ginger and lemon. So very fantastic, really easy to make, and as you can see, yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you will see this one as a really lovely drink that you guys can make it at home. So stay tuned, follow me, as I say, on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, get your favorite recipe. My name is Chef Ricardo and I will see you next time. Bye bye.